are there no safeguards in the detention of U.S. citizens? There was this ProPublica story that found that more than 170 Americans had been held by immigration officials this year.
There used to be, very rigorous policies and procedures in place to prevent the detention of U.S. citizens, or B, if a U.S. citizen was detained, because there are times where there might be an ambiguity in documentation that might require verification.
Yeah.
That verification happened as quickly as possible, not only, again, for the benefit of the individual in detention, the U.S. citizen in detention, but again, getting back to those officers and agents, and even the department writ large. There's a massive risk of liability.
Are you surprised that there haven't been more legal cases that have gotten the attention of judges, particularly
Yes.
on the U.S. citizens?
Absolutely. Now, granted, as we all know, litigation doesn't exactly move quickly, but I would have expected a whole lot more litigation. I mean, if the number is accurate and there's 170 people, U.S. citizens that have been detained, I would have expected a much higher percentage of folks going to court. But that's also a reality of really significant access to justice issues. It's expensive to file in federal court. And I honestly think that you've got an administration right now that is willing to take their chances. Okay, sue us. We'll see you in court.
It seems like it's more trouble to do that than it is. Yeah.
I've been kind of shocked myself with just the public statements also, because now news stories are starting to emerge that the public account that we're hearing from the Public Affairs Office, which is where I worked at DHS,
right,
when they respond to press inquiries on specific incidents, when you see the court filings from the actual charges that are being filed against individuals, the facts don't seem to correlate. It seems that the Public Affairs Office is taking a lot of liberties at trying to paint the worst picture possible of the migrants or immigrants in that particular incident. And then when they file in court, the department itself is not backing that up. It brings a huge question to me about how can we trust what the DHS spokesperson is saying. I'd be in constant communication with our lawyers, the folks at ICE and CBP, depending on the issue. And we would carefully make sure that anything that was going to go out publicly was carefully vetted.
I mean, to me, that's just a fundamental abandonment of the public's trust. I mean, at the end of the day, I'm still saying the department's, sorry, hard habit to break, I guess. The department's mission is, in my opinion, significantly hampered if you don't have the trust of the public that you're serving.